This is a quick overview of a simple search. Click on location, and you can choose city, community, county, zip code, region, or subdivision. But I'm going to type in city because cities have lots of different zip codes. So I'm going to type Brandon, and I'm going to click apply. And you're going to see that the houses on the left, the active homes, are actually changed. And I'm going to change my pricing. Now, the reason I'm changing my pricing is because I know how much I qualify for. So I'm only going to put in the range in which I've qualified for. Click apply, and I'm going to change beds because I want a 3+ bedroom and I want a 2+ bath house. Now, notice everything's changed again, and you've got this lovely list, and on the map, you see all these different homes that are available to you in that area. The cool thing you can also do is draw, and you've seen this in other sites. You can draw around an area that you want to look at homes in. It'll turn blue, as you can see, and then the houses kind of change a little bit in that area. Now, you want to save. And the reason you want to save it is you're going to register, and it's going to send you an email directly to a good email address. So make sure you have a really good email address, because every time it updates, it's going to send you an email directly to your inbox. And that's it. When you got questions, which I know you'll have, give me a call. IM me, email me. If you don't have questions about houses, maybe you're not looking at the right houses. Maybe you're not looking at the right place or the right area. That's a time where you definitely need to give me a call. And there you have it. Simple, easy searches. Happy searching.